Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Telegram account. So how you can recover your deleted Telegram account. So for this, first of all, what you have to do is just open up the Telegram application in your mobile. And I've opened the Telegram application. Now what you have to do here is you have to tap on these three bars and then you have to click on this settings. Now when you are in settings, you will see your mobile number and your profile. So you have to tap on this mobile number. So if you deleted your Telegram account and then you made a new account on new number, but you want to recover the old account, like you want to add your old number, so just click on this change number and you can see that user will see your new number if they have it in their address book or your privacy settings. Allow them to see it. You can modify this in settings. So click on this change again. Now you have to enter your number that you want to add in your Telegram, like the same number you created before. So just add the number here, the same number on you deleted the account and you can't create the account. So just enter the number here. And after entering the number, and when you tap on this arrow, Telegram will send an OTP on your mobile number through SMS. So you have to enter the OTP and your Telegram account is ready. On Telegram, if you deleted the account, you can create account the same number, but sometimes there is a bug, there is a glitch, so you can't do this. So that's how you can recover your Telegram account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.